Delve into art, architecture, and design with Srijan Design Academy SDA and thrive in exams, college, and career. Welcome to SDA Architecture and Design Theory. Topic 01 Color Theory. Part 3. Hey everyone! Today, we will understand digital or web colors. Web colors refer to the colors displayed on screens. Since these colors are emitted directly from the source, their behavior resembles that of radiation, similar to a rainbow. In this session, we will explore web color models and their codes. RGB color model. Commonly used for laptops, mobile and TV displays. Uses red, green, and blue as its primary colors. Each one ranges from 0 to 255. So absence of RGB, that is 0, 0, 0 will create black. And combination of RGB to 55, to 55, to 55 will create white. Which is why it's referred to as an additive model. Secondary colors. Combination of red and green, that is to 55, 0 will form yellow. Similarly, green and blue will form cyan. And blue and red will form magenta. Each time two colors mix, a lighter hue is created. To produce orange, you need a higher amount of red and a smaller amount of green. These kind of questions are very common in architecture and design exams nowadays. CMYK color model. Primarily used in printers. Uses cyan, magenta, and yellow as its primary colors. It is a subtractive color model, where mixing colors produces black, while their absence results in white. However, in printing, the black obtained by mixing 100% cyan, magenta, and yellow often dull and can be costly. Therefore, black is included in this model and is represented by K, which stands for key. Black darkens the hue in both digital and physical format. Each component of CMYK ranges from 0 to 100%. Combination of cyan and magenta, that is 100%, 100%, 0, 0 will form blue. Similarly, magenta and yellow will form red. And cyan and yellow will form green. You will more commonly find questions in CEED and use CEED from this model. Hexadecimal code. Commonly known as hex code is a 6-digit representation of colors used in digital formats. The first 2 digits denote the red component, the middle to represent green, and the last to represent the blue. Each pair can range from 00 to FF in hex code, corresponding to values between 0 to 255 of the RGB model. Hex code uses 16 symbols. The digits 1 to 9 represent themselves, while A to F represent values from 10 to 15, and 0 stands for null. To convert hex code to RGB, we use the multiplier 16, the number of symbols in hex code. For example, the hex code FF5733 represents FF, F times 16 plus F. That is 15 times 16 plus 15 equals 255, red. Similarly, 57 is 87, green. And 33 is 51, blue. Therefore, FF5733 is equivalent to RGB, to 55, 87, 51. For converting RGB to hex code, we will use the divisor 16. Consider the example RGB. 36, 72, 192. Red 36 is 2 times 16 plus 4, thus it gives 24 in the hex code. Similarly, green 72 is 48. And blue 192 is C0. Therefore, RGB, 36, 72, 192, converts to hex code 2448 C0. Thank you everyone, remain connected with us. In the next part we will cover color psychology. To buy our detailed study material online, WhatsApp us on 70420646648, or ping us on Instagram. For more questions, drop a comment on our video. Subscribe us to Thrive in Exams, College, and Career.